welcome back in Minecraft PE Survival. Today we're gonna fish, so fishing, so let's start. I'm gonna stop video because I need pick a lot of stuff. I'm gonna come in a sec. We back, guys. We're gonna fish here. Let's begin. I want some cool fishes. Wait, I'm gonna put this. Click. I'm gonna put this, guys. I can now in mine here. Yeah. Now let's fish. We're gonna wait and wait and wait. Okay, something is coming. I have a fish, guys. We don't gonna need the meat anymore. We can now eat the fish. Oh my god, we have some cool fish. I'm gonna stop this video and we're gonna see what fishes we got here. And this is don't gonna be finished like last. That's gonna be the long. And guys, we have a lot of fish. We have 3 rough salmon, we have 3 rough fish, and we have the popper, the something fish. And now you can put it in a chest. And you never gonna know what I get from a fishing. I'm gonna show you. But don't say to anybody, because look what is that. You need to just break this, and this, and there is a chest. Where in fishing I found this. Blast protection and eco affinity. That's Peter. That is cool. When I gonna have diamond sword, I can enchant it, and I gonna have the best sword, and I'm gonna breaking. I'm gonna need, and we don't gonna finish episode here. We're gonna finish episode when we first need to cook that fish. Where is that fish? We can only cook this fish. Okay, one fish. What are you going? What is this? Oh my god! My chicken. Okay. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, one. Let's cook it. 2 is good. That's good, and I'm gonna finish for 5 seconds. And guys, we have the cooked fish. Now we have it for it. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, say your friends for it, and bye.